Now children, see, let us revise it. In first quadrant, both x and y are positive. In second quadrant, both x and y are of opposite sign, means x coordinate is always negative and y coordinate is always positive. In third quadrant, both are of negative sign, whereas in fourth quadrant, x coordinate will be positive and y coordinate will be negative. Now I will tell you a very interesting point in this. What will be the coordinate of a point if a point lies on x-axis or it will lies on y-axis? चलिए देखते हैं इसको भी एक प्रैक्टिकल से. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, सी, दैट वाज द स्क्रीन. Suppose I am just clicking 2 points on this x-axis. Suppose I am taking 1 point here. Here I have clicked on 1 point. See, first of all, I have to select this point. I have select this point from here. Got it? Now I am clicking on 1 point on x-axis. Suppose I am clicking here. So this is the point I have selected. This point is I. I hope you will be able to see this. This is the point I. One more point I am taking on x-axis. Suppose in this direction. C. This is the point J. Now चलिए देखते हैं इसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या होंगे. पॉइंट I के कोऑर्डिनेट देखने के लिए C here, the coordinate of I is 2 0. And what about the coordinate of this point J? J point is again on x-axis, so coordinate of J is -3 0. So what is the conclusion here? कि if any point lies on x-axis, then always its y coordinate will be 0. Okay? Now I am taking 2 points on y-axis. See, I am taking 1 point on y-axis, 1 point in the positive direction. Say this is the point K, and 1 point I am taking here. See, I am taking this point L. This is in the negative direction on y-axis. So what will be the coordinate of this K and this point L? I am showing you. So see here, the coordinates of the point K, which was in the positive direction on y-axis, is 0 4, and the coordinate of the point L, which was on y-axis in the negative direction, its coordinates are 0 -3. So what is the conclusion from these 2 points we are getting here is, if a point lies on y-axis, then always its x coordinate will be 0. Got it? Now children, I will show you what will be the coordinate of a point if a point lies on the point of intersection of both the axes. See here, this point is M. This is the point M, which lies on the intersection of these 2 axes. See, I am showing you the coordinate of this point M. The point M will be 0 0. That means the coordinate of the point where both the axes meet each other is always 0 0. And this particular point is named as origin. Got it children? So आपने देखा, मैंने आपको इस सॉफ्टवेयर से, GeoGebra सॉफ्टवेयर से आपको 2 कंसेप्ट्स क्लियर किए हैं. हाउ टू रीड और प्लॉट द पोजीशन ऑफ अ पॉइंट इन अ कार्टेशियन प्लेन, in how many parts these axes divide our graph paper. Each part is known as quadrant. There are 4 quadrants: quadrant 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the sign of coordinates in each quadrant. So hope you understand. अब आपको ये पॉइंट्स एक ही सिंगल ग्राफ पेपर पे इसी तरह प्लॉट करने हैं और इनके कोऑर्डिनेट्स भी इसी फॉर्म में लिखने हैं. आई एम जस्ट सेंडिंग यू द क्लिक ऑफ दिस ऑल्सो. गुड बाय ऑल ऑफ यू. नेक्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस टुमारो.